Here it is. Okie dokie. Adjustable thermostat. Energy saving features. Heat up to 764 feet. That's enough for my garage. Got remote control, which is that pretty good. It's pretty cold outside. It's 10 Fahrenheit. It's really freezing outside. So I decided to order this heater, electrical heater from Amazon. I installed it on my ceiling, but it's not working because need to read the instruction first. Because on instruction it says need 220 volts, I guess. But I'm not an electrician, so I don't know how this thing works. But I don't have 220, I have just 120 in my garage. So I called my friend, he's an electrician guy, so he said he will come out this week and be able to install this properly. In the meantime, let's get back to my BMW.
Who is reading the instruction? I think nobody, but it is what it is. I have no heat, so I have to use my patio heater this time. Let's turn it on. Let's see how this thing works. If you watched the previous video where I wrapped the whole car with the Christmas lights, thanks a lot. If you skip that part, there is no better time to do that right now. And remember, will help me a lot if you subscribe.
As you can see, I got front plate right here, carbon fiber. Mirror cover, it's carbon fiber. The lips right here are carbon fiber. And the rear spoiler, it's carbon fiber. And the diffuser. The diffuser is carbon fiber as well. We'll get back to the diffuser because it needs to be installed properly. As you can see, there's a couple of screws right there. I just installed it just for the look right now. Right now, it's time to replace this front grille right here, which is I like it. I kind of like it, but because I got too much carbon around the car, I need to replace this front grille as well. So I watched tons of video on YouTube how to replace this. It's nothing complicated. We'll figure out ourselves today. It's pretty simple to do that. So let's go ahead and replace it. Patio heater, guys, it's not a good idea. If you want to put it in the garage, don't do that because it smells gas so bad. So I'll turn this thing off. Alright, so to do that, guys, we have to remove this one right here. It's coming pretty easy. It's coming off pretty easy. And then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screw right here. I believe it's T25. So let's go ahead and take them out. So actually, it's not T25, it's T30. So let's go ahead and remove them. Last one out. Once we remove all the bolts, those tabs right here, make sure you gentle remove the bumper because we don't want to break those tabs right here from the headlights. So once you remove it, the bumper, it's loose a little bit, you can squeeze your hand right here really gentle and push your grill. There you go. take them out. There is not that much room for a hand, so I need to take the bracelets out. It's not that easy. As you can see, I got already some redness, but it's fine.
So what I figured out, guys, there's 3 clips on the top of the grill and 3 on the bottom and 2 on the sides as well. So make sure, as you can see on this grill right here, 3 on the top and 3 on the bottom. Make sure you click them before you're pulling out the grill, so that come out pretty easy after that.
Yay! Oh my god, that's too much hotter than I thought it's gonna be. Whew. Yeah, so we got this off. Let's move to the second one. So to the second one, I might believe it's gonna be easy because right now we have a lot of room. You can squeeze your hand through this hole, the bumper hole right here. So let's go ahead and remove this, the second one too. Yep, easy. Whew. Let's clean it a little bit. Let's wipe it, all the dust and everything. Make it nice and clean, like we love. Yeah? Yeah. Oh yeah. Alright. There is a new front grill, the carbon fiber grill. So let's go ahead and install it. Boom! That's it. Did you think that was it? No. So I got here a carbon fiber antenna cover, that one on top of the roof right there. So let's go ahead and put that on too. So wipe it up a little bit. It's clean, but anyway. So got double tape right here. It's just on both sides, but I'll add some more. So let's go ahead and add some more double tape. Boom! That look much better. I completely love it. So let's go to inside the car. I would like to show you something really quick, guys. So as you can see, I got steering wheel replaced, which is carbon fiber too. But what I'd like to show you guys, this is OEM carbon fiber coming from manufacturer, those BMW right here. And if you see here, it's coming off. Yep, it's coming off. Alright, so I decided to completely replace that with new style carbon fiber to match the steering wheel right here and brake handle. But that's completely perish because I decided to order it from eBay. I find it really good price, completely love the description, but let me show what I got. So I got this piece of plastic. Yep, so it's going back. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Pretty much that's it for today. I will send that carbon plastic, obviously it's a piece of plastic. I will send back to the eBay. Hopefully I'll get the money back. And I want this video to be much longer, but it is what it is. So if you like this type of video, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. See you next time. That looked much better. I completely love it.